Hello? Don't pull it, don't pull it. Okay, right. Break it all in.
Oh my god.
Bro, get something to break this.
Bro, this looks solid.
Bro, it's fucking rock.
I need to breathe through here.
His head's not coming out.
No, my head's stuck.
Oh
Thing is
my
so
god.
heavy.
Bro,
As long as I can breathe, I'm good, yeah.
that's solid.
No, reassure me, bro, I'm panicking.
Yeah, no, you're fine, you're fine.
Break all of it. There we go, I can see light now.
So,
You need something sharp, that's not good enough.
okay,
I really don't want to stab him, bro. I'm so scared.
that's what I was trying to do. I was trying not to stab him.
Yo, I think the stuff's expanding, it's crushing my head.
So then Jake made the 999 call and he asked for the fire brigade and an ambulance to be here as soon as possible.
Hi. Yeah, he's breathing. So he has a microwave stuck to his head. I know this sounds like a prank call, but he was trying to film a YouTube video. My friend was trying to do a stunt with a microwave where he basically put plaster inside the microwave and then stuck his head in there. And now we can't get it off. He's got a breathing tube. Yeah, so the microwave is stuck to his head with the plaster in there and it's basically expanding and kind of crushing his head.
That response is the fastest thing I've ever heard. Fuck's sake.
Fire brigade spent the next hour and a half chiseling, hammering and cutting away a microwave from my skull.
Now my thoughts are, I don't know if you've got a Dremel or something like that, is to Dremel the exterior of the microwave. It's all welded together, so we've unscrewed what we can unscrew, but the rest is welded.
There we go, see his chin now. There we go. So, you filled it with concrete, is that right?
No polyfiller.
Hang on, move them scissors. Right, I've got...
You got the microwave. I'm really quiet. So, put him on a...
Oh my god!
Careful, because there's lots of metal sharp.
Then after a very long process of doing this, they finally got me out and I've never appreciated life so much, ever.
Oh my god! Oh my god, I love you guys, man!
Oh,